In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over with a dog bed. Check it out, everybody. It actually came just like this. This is from the company, I think you would say that Susici is how you would say that. If you're like me and you got a little small dog or a large dog, this might be something that you need right here. My dog likes to sleep right there on the floor. Come here, Remo. Come here. See, look, he's mad because he thinks I'm going to do something to him. Every time I get a package in, I end up doing something to him. So, but let me go ahead and open this thing up and show you what this is. It's vacuum sealed, so once you open it, you ain't packing it back up. So let me do that now. Okay, taking it out of the package here. This thing feels absolutely amazing. You can feel there's insulation on the inside. It's got this non-slip little bottom on it that keeps it from moving around. But look at that furry feeling right there. And it has a thing right here, which I think is for rolling it up if you want to roll it up, and a carrying handle right there. So how cool is that? This thing looks really good, very premium feeling, and I think Remo and the cat's gonna like it. I think the cat will like it more, better than Remo, because he's still sitting over there just staring at me. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set this thing up and let him sit on it. So there he is. He's on his new bed here. I got him put up here, so when I want to sit here and work outside, I just put him right here so he can sit there and watch me do my thing out here. So Remo seems to like it. You like your new bed, Remo? That's all I got today, everybody, on the dog bed. See y'all in the next video.